Hernia Repair Devices Market Report 2025 and its size, trends and forecast. Market size and growth. The global hernia repair devices market is projected to reach $6,124.5 million United States dollars in 2025, growing at a CAGR of 4.20% from 2025 to 2033. North America, largest market with over 37% share. Market size, $2,266.07 million United States dollars 2025. CAGR, 2.7% 2025-2033. Europe, market share, 29%. Market size, $1,776.11 million United States dollars 2025. Asia Pacific APAC, market share, 24%. Market size, $1,469.88 million United States dollars 2025. Fastest growing region with a CAGR of 6.9%. South America, market share, 4% plus. Market size, $232.73 million United States dollars 2025. CAGR, 4.9%. Middle East, market share, approximately 4%. Market size, $244.98 million United States dollars 2025. CAGR, 5.4%. Africa, market share, approximately 2.2%. Market size, $134.74 million United States dollars 2025. CAGR, 4.5%.